Hello everyone, and welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we will prepare a homemade carrot cake that is simply irresistible. This cake combines the natural sweetness of carrots with a creamy cheese topping, making this recipe a classic that you can't miss. And remember, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Soft, spiced, and incredibly moist, carrot cake is a dessert that surprises with every bite. But how did a vegetable become the star of one of the world's favorite cakes? The origins of carrot cake go back to the Middle Ages in Europe, when sugar was rare and expensive, and carrots were used as a natural sweetener in desserts. Centuries later, during World War II, carrot-based desserts became popular again, as sugar was rationed and home bakers got creative. In United Kingdom, these humble recipes evolved into what we now recognize as carrot cake, simple, hearty, and full of flavor. Over time, it gained worldwide fame, especially with the addition of its signature cream cheese frosting. Today, carrot cake comes in many variations, loaded with nuts, raisins, or even pineapple, but always rich, moist, and perfectly spiced. A dessert with humble roots turned into a timeless classic. And today, we're making it from scratch. First of all, a brief summary of what we will do today. Its difficulty is moderate. Its preparation time is about 30 minutes. And its cooking time is 30 to 40 minutes. These are the utensils we will need, and don't worry about writing them down. We've included them in the video description, along with the ingredients. 2 large bowls, electric or manual mixer, a 9-inch or 23 centimeters round mold, and 1 spatula. For our carrot cake, we will need the following ingredients, and remember, we left them in the description. For the cake, 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of grated carrots, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. For the cream cheese mixture, 2 cups of cream cheese, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Now that we have everything ready, let's get to work. We begin by preparing the base of our carrot cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch or 23 centimeters round mold. This is crucial for our cake to come out perfect. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix everything well and reserve. In another bowl, beat the eggs with the granulated sugar and brown sugar. We're looking for a smooth and fluffy mixture. Add the vegetable oil and mix well until completely incorporated. Now slowly add the dry ingredients to the egg and sugar mixture, beating until everything is well combined. Finally, add the grated carrots and chopped walnuts if you decide to use them. Mix gently again so that everything is well distributed. With the dough ready, it's time to bake. Pour the dough into the prepared mold, making sure it is level. Place the mold in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. To check if it is ready, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, our cake is perfect. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then remove it from the pan and let it finish cooling on a rack. While our cake is cooling, let's prepare the cream cheese mixture. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract and beat again until fluffy and well mixed. Now, it's time to give the finishing touch to our carrot cake. Cut the cake horizontally into 3 parts. Place the cake base on a plate or cake stand and cover with the cream cheese, spreading it evenly with a spatula or piping bag. Place the middle part of the cake and repeat the procedure. Finally, place the top part of the cake and decorate with the rest of the cream. If you like, add chopped nuts and small carrot decorations, or sprinkle with powdered sugar on top for a special touch. And there you have it, a delicious carrot cake ready to enjoy. It is perfect for any occasion, from a birthday to an afternoon coffee. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video. See you soon. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit cookinglangia.com.